Hello, I'm Sun First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. More sunshine, a little cool this morning, but we'll catch up. Those temperatures climb back into the upper 70s, close to 80 this afternoon. Great way to start the weekend. It'll be warmer, more humid, and the chance for storms come this weekend. The UV index running very high today at an 8, so just make sure you have your sunglasses and sunscreen handy. High pressure sitting over us right now will keep us dry through the remainder of the day today. An area of low pressure, though, approaching from the west. You see the warm front, that's going to lift through lower Michigan during the day tomorrow. Could trigger a few showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm late tonight into tomorrow morning. We'll get a bit of a break, and then in the afternoon tomorrow, early evening, the opportunity for more wet weather. That'll exist on Sunday, especially in the afternoon and evening, as well as that cold front lies mainly stationary over lower Michigan. Some of those storms could be strong to possibly severe this weekend, especially on Sunday. We'll keep an eye on that. Temperatures today, they're approaching that 80-degree mark. Lots of sunshine for the start of the day, a few clouds for the late day hours, and then mid-60s and a chance for showers overnight. Temperatures in the low 80s. This is about as warm as we get in that 7-day forecast. Cooler into the 70s next week. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great day.